Hey besties, happy Saturday? Happy Saturday. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you're enjoying the weekend and having such a great time. I just got a tripod so I can film my auditions, and if I like it, I'll probably keep it. But if not, there's always other fish in the sea. So I'm excited to see what this is like. It was a pretty good price. It came with the light, the tripod, and it has a Bluetooth controller. So I think that would be helpful so I can see where I am in the frame of the video. So we just came from Sephora. I got my free birthday gift, shopped around a little bit, at least window shopped around a little bit. I had no idea there were so many new brands in Sephora. I had to get the glow recipe. I know I've been looking at it for a hot minute, so I figured why not get the little samples. I guess these are like deluxe samples. So it's like their toner, and it has their dewdrops, all things I've heard great things about. And it's all clean and planet positive, so we love that. Good the salad is. I'm not gonna lie, I ate this before I filmed it. Really good. Were they mad that I went back in there to vlog it? Maybe. Accidentally on purpose. Accidentally on purpose. Because you know, I have allergies and I'm in a salad shop full of nuts. So find out what does and doesn't have nuts in it. Okay. So the reason why I say this, I have to ask, are there nuts in certain things? Like, do you use the same utensils to stir the salads with the nuts? And like, do you use the same utensils to scoop the nuts? You know, stuff like that. And do you use the same bowls? You know, how do you make it? What's in the stuff? What's in this dressing? What's in that? How'd you cook this? And apparently, I guess people don't ask all those questions. The guy was looking at me like, you asking all these questions. If you know the song, you know the song. And I didn't see a problem with it. It's better me agitate you on accident than me pass out on your floor, have anaphylaxis shock, go to the hospital, get thyroid drip tablets, and be screwed up for a week. So, I've seen worse, right? Anywho's, he was a great person, great customer service, probably just wasn't expecting all that. You should give Sweet Green a try. They give you like big salads, like not like chopped, I haven't had them, but I've picked up for them and they suck. Or maybe ours does. It stinks. Most of the people there aren't very clean, but the older staff are clean. It's just the younger staff. I'm like, excuse me? Who raised you? How'd you make it to the training and not cleaning up? I don't get it. And that's it for now. Bye, besties. I'll tell you rare footage that just happened. Our McDonald's ice cream machine is working. I don't know if it's gonna snow tomorrow. I don't know if it's like the ice cream apocalypse. I don't know. But like, it's working and I'm shook. So let's see if they come through. What is it? What is that?
Hey, ma'am,
So the ice cream has been secured. Excited for these treats. After a long, hard day of work, of being a passenger princess, I know how to try. I just got the barbecue burger, beef brisket burger with one side, and we got the mac and cheese. So I split it with my mom. This is what it was best to split it instead of getting a whole burger and not knowing what it tastes like. All right, but I'm gonna try the mac and cheese first. Tells you if it's good or not. That's what it looks like. Nice and crispy and moist and yummy. Pretty different. It's not like my homemade mac and cheese, but it's good. Like, it has a little seafood, like a little Old Bay.
I think it's got like the flavor of the meat in it.
That must be what it is, as long as it's not pork. I didn't think about that. It's just half of the burger, But there's like the patty, you got the brisket on top, some kind of yellow sauce. Pretty sure that's cheese. And a bunch of cheese. So let's try. Mmm. Ooh. Mm.
Ran off.
She's like, I'm trying to hide everything.
Everything she could possibly be hit with.
And it's still not gonna work.
Yeah. There's a window, girl.
Run, Chubby. Ooh. He hung up.